We came here to Whatcom County to farm because we saw the farming community as being very vibrant and very strong. And in the last 2 places we have lived, we have watched ag go away. When we started the 4 Mile project, it was the drainage district that came to us and said, I need help. We have fields that are flooded. We have fields that we can't put our manure on in a good environmental way. Can you help? My main goal was to not take ag land, but also to have the creeks meet all the parameters for oxygen, for fecal coliform, for temperature, for turbidity. So my idea was that we should be able to do it in a way that does not take away from farming. So the whole goal was to get the farmers involved, which was easy to do. Once you started talking with landowners, you saw that their heart was in streams and healthy farms, just like their heart is in farming great, taking care of their animals and taking care of their land.
Canary grass plugs everything up, and it makes stagnant water, heats up. This is cooler water flowing. So flowing water helps the fish and it helps the farmer. Is kind of what I say is, when water's flowing, it stays cooler, and flowing water means it's leaving our farm. When the water table's higher, it spreads out into the field. You have moisture closer to the surface out in the field, and you're not able to get out there with your equipment to harvest, to plant. There's things here that'll regrow, and within probably a 2-year time, it'll look like it does across the ditch. That's the goal.
When we first did the dredging back in 2002, 2003, we found 2 fish. We found 2 salmonids. When we did some re-cleaning of the drainage area and the stream, we found up to 250 fish. I mean, that's a success story. That's oh wow, we did it. We're going in the right direction. Farmers are continually changing. We're changing crops, we're changing the way we farm. We need to continually put those 2 together to make sure that we are good for farms and good for fish.